Hey guys, what's good? Today we're going to be showing some amazing recipe that's called as instant ghee cauliflower jeera mix. Okay? Why do we call it as instant? Because it's done in very short time. So the coolest thing is that ghee has got some amazing properties which are highly anti-inflammatory. At the same time, it's very high in CLA. So it makes it very, very special. So you want to make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon, that you always get to know about our videos coming, which is almost 6 times a week. We've got all those things that is covered up for you guys about fitness. So it's time to see the recipe. Let's go.
First, 2 tablespoons clarified butter. Then 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Next, once the seed becomes slightly brown, we're going to add cauliflower to the same. Next, a bunch of coriander leaves. Little of black pepper powder. You can also add little turmeric if you want for taste. And lastly, little rock salt. Now you're going to just stir it once and we're going to give a whistle to the same. And our ghee tossed gobi is ready. That's a quantity for 1 person.
Alright guys, so short time consuming instant cauliflower recipes here. Cauliflower is great when it comes to the amount of fiber that it contains. At the same time, it's very low in calorie. And the most important thing that I like about cauliflower is that it is something that which keeps you in ketosis. You can go and have some good amount of cauliflower in a day. You want to make sure that you share the channel with your friends and family, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.